Hey guys, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Arpan and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you need to sell weight loss products online with the help of affiliate marketing. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Arpan I generally create content on making money online as well as affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in such kind of content, make sure you drop a like to my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you are going to know about it. So let's begin. So guys, I'm going to show you like how you need to sell your weight loss products online, and you need to follow these 5 steps. The first one is country research, followed by choosing our own offer, then setting up a quiz funnel and traffic time, and finally I'm going to show you the maths, okay, like how much potential earning you can make out of this entire process. Now let's begin. So what I know is if you have to promote any weight loss or a keto diet product, you need to look for a country who has high overweight people population. Okay, now if I go to Google and search overweight population in US, you are going to find that they have 36.5% of adults are obese and 32.5% of American adults are overweight. So I can say like out of 10 people there are 3 to 4 obese or overweight people in US. And we also know that US falls under top 5 tier 1 countries. Okay, so they have high spending power, so it is best option to target people from US for our offer. Okay, so this was my first step to research the country you need to go for. So I found out that USA is the best option if you have to go for promoting weight loss products. Okay, now our second point is choosing our offer. Guys, when you have to choose a weight loss product as your offer, I would highly recommend you to go for clickbank, because clickbank is the best marketplace out there for weight loss products or fitness products. Okay, so my second step is going to be to go and log into clickbank and choose our offer. So here is my clickbank account. Okay, so once you log into clickbank, you need to click on marketplace. Now if you go down here, you will find a category which says health and fitness. You need to click over here, and the next thing which I want to do is there, if you can see that there is a sort results by, I will change this rank to gravity. Okay, by gravity I mean they are going to now show the offers which other affiliates are promoting at the moment. Okay, the higher the gravity is, the higher is the chance of that getting sold. Okay, so there is a good competition in these products, and I would recommend that having a good competition is healthy for you as well. So never be afraid of the competition, because it's selling more, so there's competition in it. If the product didn't sell much, then there would not be any competition, so you can have less chance of promoting or selling that product. So I would recommend you to go for high gravity score. Now if you come here, you find Okinawa flat belly tonic. This is awesome new tonic supplement for weight loss. I can either go for this, or if I go down, Carbofix is also good offer. I know, I have tested it myself. Research is also a weight loss product. So say I'm going for Okinawa flat belly tonic. Okay, in order to promote this, you need to click on promote, and you need to click on generate hop link. Now this is your affiliate link, guys. Okay, you need to promote this link, but I would not suggest you to just promote using this link. I would suggest you to make a tracking link of, because with the help of ClickMagick or any other tracking software, then promote with that tracking link, so that you can understand where the clicks are coming for, and what are the opt-in rates, what are the sell percentage, what are the cost per lead, cost per visit, and everything. Okay, and in the description I will drop the link of the ClickMagick. You can go there, they provide 14 days free trial, you can check it out. Okay, so let me say I'm going to go for Okinawa flat belly tonic. Now I will click on this affiliate page option. Okay, so when I click here, so they're going to redirect me to this page where I can see what their product is all about. Okay, they also provide you high converting email swipes as well. That's very good. That will be helpful for you in the back end of your everything. Like they also provide Facebook ad resources. That's very good. And if you ask me that why I went for this product, because it has the highest gravity in this particular niche, and it also provides $132.56 on average per sale. Okay, let me say it's $100 per sale. That's good enough for me. Now, so we have chosen our offer as well. Okay, and I've also shown you like how you need to get the affiliate link using by clicking on the promote and generate hop link. Okay, now we will go to a third step, which is setting up a quiz funnel. Guys, this is very important to understand. If you are promoting a health product or a fitness product, or I would say a weight loss product, its best practice and is the best way to promote is you need to create a quiz funnel, because it's going to be engaging with your audience, and after going through your quiz funnel, your audience has a higher chance of understanding the product by providing the answers in the quiz. Okay, by this I mean, if I am selling a weight loss product and I would ask 5 to 6 questions. Okay, like, are you how many push-ups you can do, how many sit-ups you can do. So the person on the other end, when they will say, there will be options like I can do 10 push-ups, I can do more than 10, okay, like that. And so when the person clicks on each button, say he clicks on I can do less than 10 push-ups, I can do less than 30 sit-ups, so he will have a belief in our system that this survey can tailor a perfect product for him. Okay, so it is very important to set up a quiz funnel to make our customer or our audience engage with our product. Okay, so they can have a good connection with us as well as the product we are trying to sell. Okay, so I'm going to show you first in the diagram that how it needs to look like. If I go to my funnelytics.io, so guys, this is the entire structure, funnel structure I mean. You need to have an opt-in page because that is compulsory, because you need to collect their email IDs, and when once a person opts into your opt-in page, he or she becomes your lead. So now after someone becomes your lead, you can follow up with them with other email swipes, and you can promote other products to him or her also. Okay, so having an opt-in page is compulsory here. Now once a person opts in, he or she should be redirected to quiz landing page series. Guys, suppose this is the quiz page 1, this is the quiz page 2, followed by quiz page 3, and say quiz page 4. You can have up to quiz page 7 or 8, not more than that. Okay, now if a person goes through all the quiz pages, and finally after quiz page 4, I'm going to redirect to my affiliate link to the sales page. Okay, with my affiliate link to the sales page. So when our audience comes in, he or she will have a proper engagement with our product. Okay, so it's the best option to go for quiz landing pages. Now I'm going to show you like how it needs to be done. So guys, this is how a quiz page should look like. There should be a progress bar which is compulsory, and followed by a question and two options. Okay, like, do you exercise regularly? Then there will be two options of yes or no. Now if someone clicks on yes, or if someone clicks on no, irrespective of what he or she clicks, he or she should be redirected to my second page, that is quiz page 2. Okay, I'm going to show you that also. Suppose this is my quiz page 2. So here is the progress bar, and say like this: do you take carbs every day, yes or no? Irrespective of the what button he or she clicks, he or she should be redirected to quiz page 3. This is the one. Now after quiz page 3, he or she will be redirected to quiz page 4. And guys, after here I created the 4 pages quiz. Now after a person clicks on, say, how many sit-ups you can do, suppose a person clicks on less than 40, or if he clicks on greater than 40, I don't care. Okay, this click, okay, wherever he or she clicks, should be redirected to your sales page. Okay, I mean using your affiliate link where you are trying to sell your product. So guys, this is the entire setup as I've shown you here also. Like, you have quiz page 1, 2, 3, 4. After quiz page 4, he or she should be redirected to your sales page. Okay, this is the entire process we need to follow. Now the next point we have is traffic. Now I'm going to show you the best 3 sources you can use in order to sell your weight loss products online. Okay, the best 3 traffic sources I mean. So if I go to Chrome, I would recommend you 3 traffic sources. The first one is Google Ads, and I can't teach you Google Ads in this video because it will be a long video, right? Because Google is a vast topic, Google AdWords. So I'll show you Google Ads in my upcoming videos. And so let me tell you other two sources. One is Google Ads, another is Solo Ads, and the last one is a surprise for you, which is AdFly. Okay, I'm going to explain you the Solo Ads and AdFly over here. Now, here is the thing. First, let me show you the AdFly thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you how that AdFly works. Okay, so in order to work with this website, you need to come to adf.ly, and after coming to this website you need to sign up, and after you sign up you need to log in, and this is how your dashboard should look like. Okay, you will have a home, create campaign, wallet, referrals, forum, and support. So the first thing which you need to do, you need to come and click on create campaign. Now here you need to provide your link. Okay, and I would recommend you not to provide your direct affiliate link. You can provide, obviously, but I generally provide my tracking link. Okay, and I would recommend you to provide your tracking link. And if you're confused like how you need to create your tracking link, I will have a separate video on that as well. Anyways, I will drop the link of the Click Magic, which is the tracking link, in the description below. You can go and check it out. They provide 14 days free trial also. So guys, here you need to provide the tracking link. So guys, here are the 4 type of ads they provide. I would recommend you to go with the first one only. So guys, here you can see all the countries listed down over here. Okay, so as we have researched previously that we need to go for US people, because out of 10 US adult people, we have 3 to 4 obese or overweight persons, right? So I will go with US only because this is the perfect place to promote our fitness product. Okay, so here you have the chance of putting an order. So remember guys, every 1,000 viewers based on your particular country will cost you these amounts. Okay, like if I go for 1,000 US people just to view our ad, it's going to cost me $5. So I would recommend you to go for at least 10,000 or say 100,000. Okay, now if I go for 100,000, 100k, and if I go down, so it's going to cost me, they're going to provide me 100,000 visitors, US visitors, for a total of $500. This is going to be my ad cost, and this is cheap compared to how many visitors you are getting. And we know already, right? Out of 10 people, there is a chance of having 3 to 4 obese people in US, right? So what will be my calculations? Like say if I go for 100,000 visitors, out of this 100,000 visitors, there is the potential chance of having 30 to 40,000 overweight people, right? So let me go for the lower one, which is 30,000. So we can say that out of 30,000 visitors, you can have say 20% opt-in rates. Now if we do the calculations properly, I'm going to show you, like 20% people is going to go through your ad, and I mean to say will go through your every quiz page and will see your sales page. Okay, so I would write 20% of 30,000, which is 6,000 people, and let's say only 1% converts. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you 1% of 6,000, that is 60 people. So guys, your total cost was $500 if you remember correctly. Now I can see if there is a 1% conversion, you can get 60 sales. So as you see that Okinawa provides an average conversion of $132, and to make my calculation easier, I would say, let's say that they provide an average conversion of $100. Okay, now if I'm able to sell to 60 people, I will make 60 into 100, that is, sorry, not 0, that is $6,000, and my initial ad cost was $500. And not only that, I also collected 20% opt-ins, so I have collected my assets as well in my email marketing chain. Okay, so you can, like your list is your asset, and you can promote other stuffs to them if they are not willing to buy. Okay, so I would suggest you to go for this technique because this technique has worked for me because I've worked with adfly and they're amazing. Okay, and I would always recommend you to go for higher clicks or higher visitors. Don't go for 1,000 visitors because then you can't find any result out of it. Okay, so it's better to go for 100k visitors, or say at least 50k visitors. Okay, so This is one of the traffic source you can use to sell your weight loss product. Now guys, you have to follow the entire process. Like, you need to click here to enter your website details. By clicking on this button here, I need to provide my website detail. I need to provide my campaign name, my affiliate link, or my traffic tracking link over here. And you can set a maximum daily budget, but I would recommend you to put 0 over here. Okay, now here is the targeting part. Like desktop OS targeting, you can do either Mac or Windows. Similarly in mobile you can do Android or iOS. Totally depends upon you. And after complete checking out all these portions, you need to go down and just pay them using PayPal. I generally pay them using PayPal. Okay, so guys, my third traffic strategy is Udemy. Guys, if you don't know about Udemy, Udemy is a great marketplace to buy solo ads, and is one of the best place to buy solo ads also. Now guys, if you do not have knowledge on solo ads, I have separate videos on solo ads. I will put those links in the description. You can go there and check them out. Now if I come here, I can do two things. In the niche section, I can click here and click on health, or I can go down. I know this person Gabe. As I can see, his list is for making money online, business opportunity, IM, CPA and health. So I will click over here, and it depends upon you how many visitors you want. You can have 100 visitors. Oh, this person provides minimum of 175 visitors, so I would recommend you to start with 200 visitors. And the next thing which you need to do is click on top tier countries, okay, because you want people from US. And prime filter should be turned on, and here you need to provide your not affiliate link. I would always suggest you provide your tracking link, because with the help of tracking you can do everything, and without tracking I don't believe you can do much a lot, or you cannot understand your winning combination, you cannot understand your winning landing page, you cannot understand your cost per lead and anything. So you cannot scale your business without tracking actually. So I would recommend you to provide your tracking link over here, and if you go down you can do some research about this seller. Okay, now as you can see, this person provides 85% of traffic from United States, so it's a good option. So you can just go through this seller by seeing all the reviews out there, and finally if you are satisfied with this person, you need to click on add to cart, and finally you need to pay this person by using PayPal or your credit or debit card. Okay, so guys, these are the three traffic techniques which are best suitable for selling weight loss products online with affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, so that was all in this today's video. I've showed you 5 steps. Like first was, let me come up here. So the first was country research we did, and we found out that US, out of 10 US people, there are 3 to 4 obese or overweight people. Followed by, we have chosen our offer from ClickBank. As we know, ClickBank is the best place to get your weight loss products. Number 3, we have shown you how to set up your quiz funnel, and after each stage they need to be finally they need to be redirected to our sales page. And then I have showed you my 3 traffic strategies that works well and best for weight loss products. And finally I've shown you the maths, that is the calculation part, that by spending $500 on the front end by selling your weight loss products on adfly, you can make up to $6,000. Okay, I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to make $6,000, because no one can guarantee you the results, but I can tell you by my experience that you can easily make a profit of 2 to 3 times by using this entire technique. Okay, so guys, that was all in today's video. I hope you really liked the content, and make sure to drop a like to my video, support me by subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video you come to know about it, guys. So that's all. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.